Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, here's a really good trick to keep your celery to make it last a long time. I use celery a lot. I make a lot of fish dishes, a lot of canned fish with fish spread, tuna salad, other types of fish salad, and I use celery all the time. The way to keep it fresh and crisp for a long time is to store it vertically in the refrigerator, covered up. I used to have a big round plastic container that had airtight lid, and I would store my celery standing up, and the darn stuff would last 2.5 months and still be kind of crisp, not soft. This is over a month old and it's still kind of crisp. It's just not soft and floppy. What I do is when I don't have the plastic container anymore, so what I do is I just store it in the refrigerator, and I put the plastic bag and take some twine and then I still store it standing up in the refrigerator, but it's sealed up, stored standing up, and it's going to last a long time. All right guys, take care. See you out there.